Can we start recording? Okay, my voice is in. I know it's not good, but please do adjust. Well, hi. Hi, you beautiful soul. What's up? I hope you're doing really great. So, yeah, here I am with a very good sticky note haul because it should be a stationery haul, I guess, but I have specified it into a sticky note haul. So let's see my collection of sticky notes. Sticky notes can be used everywhere, starting from your journal to pasting on random things and a lot many way. Well, for now, I am showing you my first sticky note that is quite a big one. This is a camera and it has 500 sheets. Can you just believe 500 sheets? I don't think I need to buy sticky notes for a year now. So it is multicolored and beautiful one. I have chosen it and it just cost me around 225 INR, so 225 bucks, which is quite cheap, I guess. I don't know actually because the paper quality is very thin as compared to my local sticky note. This was quite a thin paper quality, but it's good. Its adhesive is very good. I can write well on it. So I think 500 sets for 225 rupees is good enough. So yeah, I love it. Then moving on to my second sticky note. Okay, this one is a quite fancy item, I guess, but I'm loving it. And this will definitely go for decorating my journal or any kind of thing. So this is completely black, and black is my favorite color. So they have given me a very beautiful pen attached to it. Now I will use this pen to write. What am I doing? Oh god. To write something on the paper. Well, this has only 30 to 45 sheets and this cost me around 168 rupees. And the pen wasn't that good, but the quality of paper is, oh my god, it's very nice. But I told you this is quite expensive but beautiful at the same time. So I'm loving it. Black is my love. So yeah, this is the quality of the paper and you can see. Now again moving on to the third item and probably the last one that I have ordered from Amazon is a notepad that has sticky notes. I mean, this concept was really nice. This is quite pocket friendly and this is by the brand called again Orison. The previous one was also from Orison. Yes, Orison is a very good brand, I guess, for all the sticky notes. By the way, I'm shopping from them for the first time. So here I am. This one is super cute. I mean, this is really nice. And moving on, this is actually very small. This has got very thin black cardboard pieces and all those sticky notes are attached on it. This is blue, orange, green, pink, and these are very small as compared to the first one and second one. These are really very small. As they say, it is pocket friendly, and now it has small sticky notes. These are actually used as bookmark basically for marking anything on any paper. So yeah, this is awesome. I can write well on it, and the adhesive is also good enough. Well, why I was not pasting the black one because I don't want to waste one piece of the black one like this. I don't know. I am quite a idiot, I guess, but I don't know. Okay, now let's test with the bigger paper. And here I am writing something. I don't know what is that thing. Actually, thank you for watching my video. Yeah, that is so stupid of me. Okay, this is also nice, I guess. Yes, it is actually good. I'm loving everything. I'm honestly loving everything. And in fact, to be very honest, I went to buy these products from September 2021, and look at me, I haven't used them yet. Means not all the products, of course, I'm using the first one right now, and still I have a lot of sticky notes with me. And I know they're gonna stay with me for long. It's already been 6 months, not exactly 6 months. Okay. And I think this one is my old one. Yes, it is. And it has some uh, thickness compared to the first one. By the way, thank you for watching this video. I love you all. Do stay connected.